Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of extreme sports with the Audi Electric Mountain Bike. Let's see if this electrified downhill destroyer lives up to the hype.
Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing straight. This isn't just any ordinary electric bike. With Audi's branding plastered all over it, you know you're in for something special. But does it deliver?
Let's find out. First up, let's talk specs.
The Audi Electric Mountain Bike is powered by a potent Bros S-Mag 250W electric hub motor, offering several rider assist modes.
Paired with a robust aluminum frame and top-tier components from SRAM and Öhlins, this bike means business. Speaking of design, this bike isn't just eye candy.
It's built like a tank, with toughened aluminum and carbon fiber construction.
But while the build quality is top-notch, the Audi branding might feel like a bit of an afterthought in some places. Now, let's talk performance.
With 90 Nm of torque and 4 assistance modes, this bike eats up tough uphill sections for breakfast.
But where it truly shines is on the downhill.
The wide bars, slack head tube angle, and long chassis make for a thrilling ride down steep trails.
So, should you buy the Audi Electric Mountain Bike?
If you're a hardcore mountain biking enthusiast looking for top-of-the-line performance and bragging rights, then absolutely.
But if you're looking for a daily commuter or watching your wallet,
you might want to look elsewhere.
That's all for today's review.
Don't forget to hit subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.
This is Product Critique, signing off.